Welcome to One Point Japanese. Today's Japanese lesson, grammar. This channel helps you learn basic Japanese step by step. Today's grammar point is from JLPT N5. Today's grammar is いつか. いつか. いつか means someday. Let's practice with questions and answers. You can use いつか to speak politely and naturally. Example 1. Question. いつか日本に行きたいですか? Do you want to go to Japan someday? Answer. はい、行きたいです. Yes, I do. Example 2. Question. いつか東京に行きたいですか? Do you want to go to Tokyo someday? Answer. はい、行きたいです. Yes, I do. Example 3. Question. いつか教会に行きたいですか? Do you want to go to church someday? Answer. はい、行きたいです. Yes, I do. Example 4. Question. いつか聖書を読みたいですか? Do you want to read the Bible someday? Answer. はい、読みたいです. Yes, I do. Today's grammar was いつか plus a verb, masu-form. One Point Japanese lessons are uploaded every Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thank you for learning Japanese with us.